In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install codes from Lovable. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Lovable. From the results, go to the official Lovable website so you're starting in the right place and any links you follow are current and secure. On the Lovable homepage, select Login, then choose Continue with Email. Enter the email linked to your account, click Continue, type your password, and select Login. For privacy, sign in on a trusted device and a secure network so your credentials stay safe. After you sign in, you'll land on your Lovable dashboard. Find and open the project you already created. Opening the project first ensures Lovable connects the correct codebase when you export to GitHub. Inside the project, click the GitHub icon, then connect GitHub. This links Lovable to GitHub, so your generated code can be transferred to a repository. Make sure you're connecting the right GitHub account, especially if you have personal and work profiles. Choose the organization where the repository should live, so the right team has access and the repo inherits the proper permissions. If a confirmation appears, select Transfer Anyway to proceed with the move under that organization's rules. The connection step may take a moment. Let it complete so all files and metadata are prepared correctly. When the transfer is done, you'll see an option to view the repository right from Lovable. Click the View button to open the GitHub page for your project. This takes you to the repository that now holds your Lovable code and project structure. On the GitHub page, select the code dropdown. From the options, choose Download Zip. This downloads the full code bundle to your computer as a compressed archive, giving you everything in one go without additional setup. It's a convenient way to grab the current state of the default branch, including source files and configuration that Lovable generated for you. After the download completes, the project code is on your computer as a zip. Keep it as an archive or extract it to review and edit in your preferred code editor. To avoid confusion later, note where your browser saved the file and consider using a clear folder name for your local copy. If you collaborate with a team, follow your organization's policies on storing and sharing source code to keep it secure. And that's the process. Search Lovable, log in, open your project, connect GitHub, choose the organization, confirm the transfer, view the repo, and download the zip. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with your Lovable project.